Good evening, everyone. I'm Jamal Brian Vergara, and I'm here to present our startup, Cardiac Rehabilitation Equipment or CARE. First, I want to give you an overview of the cardiac rehabilitation in the Philippines. Next slide.
Are we the target audience?
Not really.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, not that old yet. I think I might have to reset.
Technical difficulties.
That's it. You're done. Do you have any equipment?
It's currently in the lab. We have a prototype in the lab.
And you bring it along. Test it on someone. I mean, a dummy or something. Yeah. Just the point. If anyone's going to pitch, show me something. Show me some physical stuff or software or demos or something. Yeah, we like to see real stuff. You're going to show me a video of someone being electrocuted. I mean, sorry, resuscitated.
Maybe they use the same technology that they use for tasers, right?
From a distance, I don't want to touch him.
So, Jamal,
He just
while
puked
they're
up.
fixing, right there. Good. Yeah.
Okay.
First, I want to give you an overview of the cardiac rehabilitation industry in the Philippines. First, the cardiac rehabilitation doctor will assess the patient and then prescribe an exercise. And then after that, the physical therapist will visually monitor the patient during exercise. And then after that, the physical therapist will create a report, and then the report will be assessed by the cardiac rehabilitation doctor. Now, the problem in the current system of cardiac rehabilitation is that, first, it is only based on subjective visual assessment. They don't monitor the vitals yet. Another thing is that in the Philippines,
What they say, you look like you don't have now.
we lack physical therapists. That's why there are wait-listed patients. There are wait-listed patients. Another problem is that because cardiac rehabilitation is solely based on visual assessment, the physical therapist doesn't know if the patient is exerting too much effort or insufficient stress during exercise. Next. Now, that's why we developed CARE. This is our product. It's an automated cardiac cleaning device with its own graphical user interface. It has wireless ECG and heart rate monitor. It has blood pressure monitor. It has blood oxygen saturation monitor integrated to the system. Additionally, it has built-in LCD display and boards rated perceived level of exertion to monitor the level of exertion of the patient. We also integrated in the system heart rate dependent load control to monitor the heart rate of the patient so that it's in the level that's prescribed by the cardiac rehab doctor. Lastly, we also integrated in the system arrhythmia detector analysis. So in order to ensure that we are conducting a safe exercise. Next. So we validated our design to our consulting doctor, Dr. John Michael Mendoza of PGH. And according to him, he still haven't encountered any training device with more than just a heart rate monitor. And according to him, it will definitely make patient monitoring easier and give accurate progress reports. It will also make the cardiac rehabilitation safe and effective. Now, we researched for other devices that is similar to our product, and one device is Hammer. Hammer has a heart rate monitor, a user interface. It is also wireless and has arrhythmia detection, but does not have the other features that the CARE have. Another device is that a Vasper system has adaptive load control similar to ours, a user interface, but does not have all the other features that the CARE system have. Now, based on this slide, we can see that the CARE system is the only device available on the market that's specialized for cardiac rehabilitation. Now, we want to sell our product for 600,000 for each unit with 1-year warranty and free installation of the CARE software. Now, our unit cost is based on the computation that we will be operating for 2 years, and then we will be selling 12 units of the CARE system. So our computation is that we will have a profit of 195,016 for each unit. Next slide. Now, our available market is that there are 2,026 available hospitals in the Philippines. There are 366 level 3 hospitals in the Philippines which have their own cardiac rehabilitation programs.
That's too much for
And our serviceable obtainable market is that we have 90 level 3 hospitals in in Metro Manila. So what we're asking is we're asking for 5 million investment for 30% equity. Thank you.
Oh, wow, that's 4 minutes. That's pretty good. So you want 5 million to build so many? Yeah, how many of them? Like
We have a prototype already, but what we want to do is to conduct it into for clinical trial.
right, but what does my 5 million go for? What's it going to be spent on?
It's for the development of the device for clinical trial and for
So by that time, then you'll need more investment to build more, right?
the investment includes also building the 12 units that we will be selling in the span of 2 years.
All right, so it costs you 400,000, and you're going to 4.8 million, and then 200,000 for the testing. No,
I'm sorry.
12 units times 400,000 is 4.8 million.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you're going to leave 200,000 for.
For other expenses, other
Have you got any pre-orders for this?
not yet.
Have you got anyone that's interested in buying it, or have you tested the price level?
Currently, the PGH is asking for 600 pesos per session.
Right.
And
No, that's how much they're going to charge. Look, you bring me 12 pre-orders, and I'll invest in it. Okay?
Just curious, so it's being used for rehab, basically, right?
Yes.
Rehab. Is there any applicability for this for diagnostic? Like, stress tests, for example? Is that possible to use it for that?
Yeah.
right now, it is only specialized for cardiac rehabilitation.
So rehab lang.
Yeah.
Because the diagnostic market is much bigger. Have you looked at the possibility of using the device for diagnostic as opposed to rehab? You might want to look at that.
Yeah, I mean, when I go for the yearly test, they make me run on a treadmill and attach all the electrodes and stuff. It'd be nice to be able to just sit there and. Well, they still have to attach all the electrodes, right? In this.
Yeah, we have our SECG. That's.
But I don't know if I can get. My mother is an ideal client for this, but I don't think I'll get her into a rowing machine. You might have to maybe have a different format, like a rowing machine or another type. I don't know, another hardware setup. But anyway, yeah, the diagnostics is probably a bigger market than rehabilitation. But like I said, if you get pre-orders, that proves me, the people are willing to spend the money. Then it's easy for me to invest. No, ask away. We're done.
Hi, I'm sitting here next to two of the biggest health buffs I know. So I was wondering, can this product be adapted to general fitness market?
Why? No, it's too expensive.
Too expensive?
Yeah.
Too expensive? No, I mean, can it be toned down to
You
general
mean,
fitness market?
you mean stick it into fitness first, and so you can see how well you're doing?
Pretty much. Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, I don't know. That's a different market.
Okay.
Is that diagnostics? Sort of.
No.
Questions? Anyone?
Health and fitness will be different than
Yeah.
diagnostic.
Yeah, that's good. Thanks.
All right, thank you very much. Up next is Amatera Solar Technology. Gregory, are you on?